Very special welcome to our Group A freshmen who are in the building today. This is the first time we've had this number of students in our building since March 13th. So it's a good day to see kids' faces again. We've had a few students last couple of weeks, but this is the first time we've had more than 100 students walking the halls of Apollo since March 13th. It's so hard to believe. So welcome Group A freshmen. We want you to have a great year. One thing I wanted to give a big shout out for our staff this morning. As you can tell, Apollo High School is one of the most helpful and most caring places that you could absolutely find yourself in your high school experience. The Eagle family came out in support to help show our freshmen around. Get them where they were going first period. I know it seems a little weird. We've had 5 weeks of class, but then some of you didn't have a clue where your classroom was. So this is a great place to be, and we're very excited to start off with having students in the building. So while this is a great opportunity, I wanted to give you just a few bits of advice and inform you that it's going to be a little bit awkward. It's a great opportunity for you to be in the building today and get to know your way around, see some students that you've had classes with over the past 2 or 3 years. But it's going to be a little bit awkward as well because you're the only ones in the building. So my recommendation and the best advice that I can give you this year is take advantage of every moment that you're in this building. Take advantage of the opportunity to talk directly to your teachers and ask for help. While we are on yellow status, you're only going to be in the building 2 days out of the week. So again, this is golden time. Whenever you are walking the halls of Apollo High School, make sure that you find out the things that you need to know while you're here. It's a great time to stop by the guidance office. It's a great time to stop by and see Ms. Keelan, our Family Resource Center coordinator. Stop by the main office if you need to get help with technology or this, that, and the other. So again, take advantage of the moments that you are in the building. And then one thing that I wanted to remind everyone is please, now that we have entered the point that students are in the building, students, it is so important that you wear your masks, stay safely distanced, don't be getting into people's personal space, and most especially wash hands frequently. Before you eat, after you eat, If you're going to the restroom, obviously that's always good hygiene. To always wash your hands whenever you are going to the restroom and so on. But again, if we follow these three things, these three CDC guidelines, please keep this in mind. We will continue to be able to have sporting events. We will continue to be able to have students in the building. If we go away from these guidelines and start bad habits of not wearing masks, not social distancing, and not washing our hands, we may have to go back to red light status, and that is not what any of us want. So let's keep those guidelines in mind as we walk around the building and even at our sporting events. One last thing that I wanted to share before I get into the birthdays today on this very special 23rd of September. Remember this as we go through this year. Freshmen and all students who are listening, there is no challenge that we cannot overcome. So remember that. It's going to be a little weird, a little awkward, but we will get through this. You can find the help. Just find an Eagle staff member that will be able to help you take on any challenge that you may have. We're going to go with the rest of the news, and then I'll come back with birthdays at the end.
Morning and welcome to your Eagle Staff Live through AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Allie.
Hello, I'm Courtney.
Hello, I'm Macy.
And I'm Logan, and we're here to provide you with the news for today, Wednesday, September 23rd.
Girls basketball coach Natalie Payne has set Thursday, October 16th as tryout day. Please mark your calendars. More information will be announced soon.
If students are going to be unable to participate and be actively engaged in any class, parents should call to report the student's absence at 270-852-7100.
During Orange Light status, ESS tutoring sessions is available in science, math, and English via Google Meet each Tuesday and Thursday afternoon from 3:30 to 4:30. Students must register using their school email account each day that a tutoring session is needed. You can find the ESS registration link under the Students Quick Link tab on Apollo's homepage. Immediately following registration, an email will be sent to you with the Google Meeting link to join the tutoring session. If you plan to attend, be prepared to ask questions.
Please remember, if you have trouble with your device at home, you may contact our help desk at tech.help@davis.kyschools.us.
The Apollo Spirit Store is open daily from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. If you'd like to purchase an item from the Spirit Store, please call the school office at 270-852-7100 to make an appointment. You may also email the AHS Spirit Store Manager, Miss Kim Myers, at kim.myers@davis.kyschools.us.
We want to wish the freshman volleyball team and the girls JV and varsity soccer teams good luck as they host Owensboro Catholic this evening. Thank you and have a great day.
Breakfast and lunch are free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on Orange Light status, Apollo High School students can pick up free meals on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 11:30 to 12:30 at the gym and student drop-off and pick-up area.
All right, one thing that I wanted to share before I get into the birthdays, the only times you students should see me without my mask on is during ENL and if I'm drinking my coffee. So any other time that you catch me that I've walked out of the office and don't have my mask on, I would love for you to please say, "Hey, Mr. Lasley, you forgot your mask." That would be a good reminder for all of us. So let's keep that in mind. And as far as birthdays go today on this 23rd, Jorge Barrios Hayes, James Ellis, Jacob Harris, Landon Johnson, Elijah Laster, Ezekiel McGuire, and Caitlin Roberts all celebrating birthdays today. Let's make it a great day in Eagle Nation.
Please stand up for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.